Ready to become a funded trader? Unlock your potential as a funded futures trader with Topstep. Topstep is the premier funding opportunity for retail futures traders. Their goal is to provide a safe environment so that traders can professionalize their passion and safely engage and profit in the financial markets. If you follow the rules and pass their simulated trading evaluation, called the Trading Combine, you will be able to trade with their capital. Guaranteed. Earn funding by passing the Trading Combine. What is the Trading Combine? The Trading Combine is an experiential learning and evaluation program for futures traders. Traders grow and test their skills in simulated markets, and earn funding upon achieving certain trading objectives. How it works. Number 1, prove you can profit. Demonstrate that you have a winning strategy for the futures market. Number 2, show you can manage risk. Establish consistency with your trading style to prove their capital is safe in your hands. Number 3, earn a funded futures trading account. You keep the first $5,000 in profits and then 80% after that. Are you ready to embark on your journey as a funded trader? Click the link below this video to join Topstep today, and take the first step towards trading success.